Hello and welcome back to the training. So in this video, I just want to bring some of the pieces together and point out some very clear, defined optimizations that Google shows to every business owner. Every profile I've looked at has these identical optimizations that they say, hey, did you do this? Did you do this? Every single one. So I just want to go ahead and point this out to you because it's going to give you some very good tips. All right, so let's look inside of our test account here that we've been working on. All right, so this one is pretty much good to go. And this is the little tips that I'm talking about. And they're giving you some really good ones in here. All right, so turn more customers, set up booking. Did you set up booking? Right, so do you have a booking page? Have you actually attached it to your Google Business profile? There is a booking tab, right? They have third-party vendors that work really good. Google actually has their own. This is completely up to you, but it is an extra link. It is an enhancement, all right? Add exterior photos. They continuously want this. I see this on everybody's profile. What they're getting at here is, did you fill out all of the photo sections? All right, and we covered this in earlier parts of the training, but definitely do this. All right, view your record. So we took care of that. Turn on chat. Turning on the chat, right? Are you actually going to answer the chat though? That's the question, because I have tested not communicating within 24 hours inside of the chat functionality, and it does give a temporary suppression. All right, so if you turn this on, are you willing to take those texts? Are you willing to check it? And are you going to answer them back in a very rapid rate? Well, you have 24 hours. This is another really good tip. I see this in all the profiles. Like if I've looked at hundreds, I mean, this is relatively new, but even in the last, let's just say 5 months, if I've looked at 50 different profiles, it's always the same stuff and pretty good. So take a look at this. Add directions to your website. All right. Now remember the old site they used to give us? The Google Business site? The free one that was attached before they took it away? They had a map that was embedded. And it was most notably and most specific, the embed map. It was a directional map from location of the user to your business. And here it is. Bam. Do you have that on your site? Turn on chat. Add auto address complete. You can do as you wish with this, right? Get started, increase sales, up to you. All right. Confirm your holiday hours. So they want everything up to date. Have you paid attention to your profile? If you pay attention, they pay attention to you. This could be a minor tweak, but when we're talking about, if it's a matter of one little thing, each thing is just like a piggy bank, right? Like, yeah, 1 penny doesn't mean a lot. But when you go from 99 cents to $1, now you have $1. You get what I'm saying? So here's the next thing. Look at this amenity map to your website. Show nearby amenities. So anything that could potentially help the end user. Now, I like the idea of a map if it's relevant, but let's not distort the density of the page. All right? So add a map to your website. They said this 3 times. Get more reviews. This is clear and evident. Create an offer. So they didn't say an event. They didn't say an update. They said an offer. An offer. Specifically an offer. So do you have offers on your website? Of course you do. You're a service business. So great offers are, let's create offers based upon the exact services in the locations that we want to promote. Again, they didn't say event. They didn't say update. They said offer. All right, so I just wanted to point this out. The thing with Google is the secret is always in plain sight, right? Like with ranking pages or ranking your GBP, you can look and see, well, what Google is rewarding. It's always right there. It's the same with this. They're giving it to us. We just have to follow it. So I hope this has been helpful. If there's anything else, check the resource section. You can go back through the videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.